This is USB antenna, 4G antenna, USB antenna, R4A 4G SIM card slot cable, Rearview antenna, power cable, Canbus, original car adapter cable. This is the tray panel. This is an automatic central control screen, compatible with 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic. It features a 10.33-inch display with a resolution 1600x720, equipped with an Acro-UIS 7870 processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. This is the front side. This is the rear side. How to switch to UI with 3 interface. Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drop the car to change its position and another car side. You can tap the straight door button here, plug-in selection, and choose one you like, and all the straight cars can all be replaced. And also you can drag the straight door button to change the position freely as you like. You can see there is a button on the side. You can enlarge it as twice its original size. Swipe down the screen and you can see the draw-down menu, and the screensaver is very beautiful. Also, you can adjust the brightness here and the value here. This is the night mode. How to customize and change the starter bar. Don't press any icon and you can plus anyone you like. How to change the things of the original car interface. Don't press the menu and you can see they are forwarding for you. This one you like in back. And you have changed the things successfully. Also, how to change the car model. Don't press. And then choose one you like. You have changed the car model successfully. You can see there are so many app here. This is the video player. Here you can watch the video. Tap this icon into the small window mode. This one is the vehicle setting. M3 info, history, set up, and look at the setting. Here, this is the wireless network. You can connect the Wi-Fi. This one is the GPS info. General, factory with the password 3368. There are so many functions here you can adjust it. This is the wire setting. This one is the protocol setting. This one is the display. You can adjust the day brightness here and the night brightness here. This is the sound. You can adjust the sound mixing scale. This one is the app. This one is storage. You can see how many storage, location, password, assist language. You can change the language. Find French and text one more time and you can change into that language. Let's see the equalizer. This one is the DTS. Equalizer, so many styles for you to choose. This is the sound file setting. Forward mode for you. Choose one you like. This is the surround sound. Stereo sound enhancement. Reverberation, bass boost, sound filtering. Tap the CarLink and you can see there are so many app here. Tap the setting and you can change the wallpaper into whatever you like. Set. And the setting is finished.